I'm settling. Hold on. I'm coming. Supra man ng isa yan. May COVID na ata tayo eh.
We only sang for 2 weeks. It's been a week now.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Canada with Jeggy. Ngayon guys, maglilinis lang po kami sa backyard nila kasi tapos na silang mag-harvest ng kamaisan nila. Kala mo naman, isang hektarya yung mais nila. Isang linya lang naman. So, ito po yung hacienda po nila dito sa Canada. Nag-garden po sila kaya ngayon naayos na nila kasi winter na. Yan yung mga nasa aray ko, putik. Ito po yung nakakateta novenas. Ito po yung mga nasayang na kamatis nila. Yan po si Father Camora. Padre Camora. Padre Camora, don't fall. Race for fall. Jego, sige. Dryer ball. Yun na lang yung mga natitira na susurutin. Sunod ng sunod. Yun na lang yung mga natitira na mga tanim nila. Kasi yun yung ibang na-harvest. Ito, sinesave daw nila parang buhay lang and then itatanim ulit kapag spring na. Meron pa dun sa sala. Tapos may sumunod ulit. Sis?
Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I've shaken off the weight. I don't need it. I'm free and clear without any fear. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. There's no ceiling, I broke down the walls. I'm on fire, I can't be rattled. I'm on top, I've won my battles. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. In myself I've got faith. Dreams are meant to be chased. Bright red carpets rolling out, things unfolding so naturally. And now I'm revving up for these days to come so excitedly. No.
Na-try pa po nilang i-harvest yung mga kamatis.
Okay.
Yung iba na
Pipitasin ko
frozen
na lang.
na.
Okay, I'm Hold on. I'm coming. Supra man ng isa
Iba
yan.
na naman po ang sagot nung may pagkabingi.
Kaya mo, sabi ko sa'yo, maganda pa, oh. Yan.
Oo, halika na dito. Sarapan ko.
Sa mga viewers ko po dyan, pasensya na po kayo at
Isang
sila po ang
planggana
mga
to.
content ko po ngayon. Gusto po nilang magpa-video. Kaya pagbigyan naman po
Tomato picking.
Tomato picking pero ano na, lanta.
Hindi, ang ganda pa siya. Makindi lang.
Pwede pa yan, May.
Pwede pa? Ang mahal nito sa Pilipinas, kala mo ba? Dito tinatapon na lang.
Ano
Ang
si
higa
mother?
namin doon.
Kaya gagalit na naman si
bahay.
ano.
Ang sarap ng higa namin doon. Inisturbo mo pa kami para magpitas.
May sumisilip na naman po dito sa bintana. Jeggy! Jegs! Jego!
Walk to the
Olo!
kitchen.
Wala naman.
Make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get into something tan on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees.
Bote lang pinagkaibahan nila.
Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where
Kain tayo guys ng chicken skin. Oops. Food for the batok. It's good. Currently packing our stuff guys kasi gonna go to Banff tomorrow, early morning tomorrow. Kaya nag-packing ako kasi 2 days kami doon. 2 days and 1 night. I'm sorry if you're hearing this sound. We have a baby here.
Hey, I'm not that young.
You're not that young, but you're still watching that cartoons.
Hey,
And
I've been watching K-dramas with my mom. I need a break.
yeah, and it's so loud.
You're an old lady with cool hair.
I'm not that young daw.
Hello.
Hey everyone. May COVID na ata tayo eh.
We only sang for 2 weeks. It's been a week now.
No, it's not. It's just 2 days. I still have 12 more days.
Oh, yeah, because like, I thought it was like, because it's the end of the week now.
Yeah, it is. Kain ka na para mag-take ka na ng medicine mo and then drink a lot of water kasi
Mama can't find my children meds.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy reappear. Oh,
and guys, so mag-skincare muna tayo kasi as you can see, yung mga dark spots ko talaga, bonggang-bongga. Pero, grabe naman pag sa camera, red na red talaga. Pero in personal, hindi no. Di ba nagpunta kami kahapon, guys? What's that kahapon? Kahapon, kami ng facial, microdermabrasion, something like that. Hindi ko alam. Tapos before nila ginawa yung ko, parang chinek muna nila yung skin ko. Sabi nung nag-check sa akin, hindi ko alam kung derma siya or what. Combination daw yung skin ko. Tapos dito nga, oily, tas dry dito. Tapos ngayon, nakita niya to, sabi niya, bacterial pimple daw yan, hindi daw yan hormonal. So sabi ko lang, siguro dahil sa flight, syempre parang 12 hours yung flight, 12 hours in total yung layovers and flight. Kung ano-ano nang nahawakan ko, and all of that, wala akong hand sanitizer na dala. Grabe, kaya lagi ko pumupunta sa CR para maghugas ng kamay. And, ayan, kinaumagahan, kahapon, nandyan na siya. So, ngayon guys, pumunta kami ng Shoppers Drug Mart. Hindi ko na-vlog kanina. After namin nasundo si Bebe, pumunta kami doon kasi I wanna buy something for the pimple patch. So, yung meron sila is the Mario Badescu. Actually, meron silang iba. Pero ito kasi yung inabot nung pinagtanungan ni mama ko dun sa may counter kung meron pa silang pimple patch. Tapos sabi, if you want, you can check the other aisle for the acne treatment. Tapos nung tinignan ko, may tig 10, may tig $15. Sabi ko, parang mas maganda yung Mario Badescu kasi nakalagay yung mga ingredients niya na drying for pimple talaga siya. Nag-check out kami guys. $23 pala to. 60 pieces na siya. $23. So in Canadian dollar. So in US, parang siguro less than $20. Kasi $70 yung binayaran ko all in all. Pero $53 lang yung $53 lang yung worth talaga in US. So try natin to guys. Uy, mag-toner pa muna pala ako. I'm using the Neutrogena Clear Pore na with salicylic acid. Tinanong ako nito kahapon. What do you use for your toner? Ganyan. Yung palang salicylic acid. Ano pala siya? Chemical peel pala siya. Sabi ko, I just saw it in Walmart. Kasi nga talagang hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Sabi ko, I just saw it in Walmart and just wanna try it. Okay. Gusto ko lang lagyan ng pimple patch ito para in the morning mawala yung parang pus niya. Kasi nag-start na siya na parang may laman na siya. Uy, napakanipis. Naku, pwede pala ata to kahit under makeup eh. Grabe, hindi halata. Matutulog na ako guys kasi Ewan ko, parang di pa ako nakakabawi sa pagod ko sa flight. Tsaka puyat na puyat talaga ako kasi nung wala talaga akong tulog guys nung nasa before flight kasi work and then flight agad. So parang pagod na pagod talaga ako. Ipake ko na tong mga skincare ko. Layay, bakit ganito? Para siyang may ano yung ziplock ko. Sa ziplock ko kasi nilagay yung mga skincare guys para hindi siya mag-leak. Kasi talaga yung skin ko, hindi ko alam. Kaya ayokong pabayaan na, alam mo yun, kahit mag-travel, dapat may skincare talaga ako. So, yun guys, matutulog na ako. Matutulog na kami ni Bebe kasi maaga daw kami bukas. It's already almost 9 p.m. and parang aalis daw kami ng 3. So, we need to wake up at before 3 a.m. So, yun guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. Medyo boring tong vlog natin na to. But, I promise you, the next vlogs will be more interesting. Kasi pumunta tayo ng Banff bukas. Banff bukas. So, yun. Sana maging okay ang weather kasi negative na ang temperature bukas. So, thank you so much everyone for watching.
Order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances bare